Welcome to our channel, where we explore the natural wonders that can boost your health and well-being. In today's video, we uncover the power of oregano oil, a natural remedy with a rich history of use for its impressive health benefits. Derived from the leaves of the oregano plant, this oil is renowned for its potent properties. Throughout the ages, oregano oil has been valued for its ability to support the immune system, fight off harmful pathogens, and promote overall wellness. Join us as we dive into the science and research behind this remarkable herbal extract. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos on natural health and wellness. Introduction to oregano oil. Oregano oil, derived from the leaves of the oregano plant, is a natural remedy with a long history of use for its health benefits. The oregano plant, scientifically known as Oreganum vulgare, is native to the Mediterranean region and has been used medicinally for centuries. The oil extracted from this herb is known for its potent properties that can support overall health and well-being. History and origin of oregano oil. The use of oregano as a medicinal herb dates back to ancient Greece, where it was widely recognized for its healing properties. The Greeks believed that oregano was a gift from the goddess Aphrodite and used it to treat various ailments, including respiratory issues, digestive problems, and skin infections. As the years went by, the use of oregano spread to other parts of Europe, where it became a staple in traditional medicine practices. In recent years, the popularity of oregano oil has surged due to its potential health benefits. Today, it is widely available in various forms, including essential oils and capsules, making it accessible to a broader audience. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. The science behind oregano oil's health benefits. The health benefits of oregano oil can be attributed to its high content of active compounds, including carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds possess potent antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, making oregano oil a powerful natural remedy. Studies have shown that oregano oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It has been found to be effective against various strains of bacteria, including those that are resistant to antibiotics. Additionally, the antioxidants in oregano oil can help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Top benefits of oregano oil for health and well-being. Immune system support. Oregano oil is known for its immune-boosting properties. The antimicrobial compounds in the oil can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Regular use of oregano oil may help reduce the duration and severity of colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. Digestive health. Oregano oil has been used traditionally to support digestive health. It can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. The oil's antimicrobial properties may also help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria. Respiratory health. The powerful antimicrobial properties of oregano oil make it an excellent natural remedy for respiratory conditions. It can help relieve symptoms of coughs, congestion, and sore throat. Oregano oil's anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce inflammation in the airways, making it beneficial for those with asthma or allergies. Skin health. Oregano oil can be used topically to promote healthy skin. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against various skin infections such as acne, athlete's foot, and fungal infections. The oil's antioxidant properties can also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to a clearer and healthier complexion. Antioxidant protection. Oregano oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Potential side effects and precautions of using oregano oil. While oregano oil is generally considered safe for most people, it's essential to use it with caution and follow the recommended dosage. Some individuals may experience mild side effects, such as stomach upset or skin irritation when using oregano oil. It is advisable to do a patch test before applying it topically and to start with a low dose when taking it internally. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, and individuals with certain medical conditions such as liver or kidney disease should consult with a healthcare professional before using oregano oil. How to use oregano oil for various health conditions. Oregano oil can be used in various ways to address specific health conditions. Here are some common uses. Internal use. To support immune health and overall well-being, dilute a few drops of oregano oil in a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil, and take it orally. Start with a low dosage and gradually increase it if needed. It's essential to follow the recommended dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer or consult with a healthcare professional. Topical use. For skin infections, acne, or fungal conditions, dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil and apply it directly to the affected area. Conduct a patch test first to ensure there is no adverse reaction. Avoid applying oregano oil to broken or sensitive skin. Inhalation. To relieve respiratory symptoms, such as coughs or congestion, add a few drops of oregano oil to a diffuser or inhale the steam by adding a few drops to a bowl of hot water. This can help clear the airways and provide relief. Making your own oregano oil at home. Making your own oregano oil at home is a straightforward process. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Gather fresh oregano leaves and stems. Wash them thoroughly and let them dry completely. Crush the dried oregano leaves and place them in a clean glass jar. Cover the crushed leaves with a carrier oil, such as olive oil or jojoba oil. Seal the jar tightly and place it in a warm, sunny spot for about 2 weeks. Shake the jar daily to ensure proper infusion of the oil. After 2 weeks, strain the oil using a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Transfer the oil to a dark glass bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. Where to buy high-quality oregano oil? When purchasing oregano oil, it's essential to choose a high-quality product from a reputable source. Look for organic oregano oil that is steam distilled or cold-pressed to ensure maximum potency and purity. You can find oregano oil in health food stores, specialty stores, or online retailers. Read customer reviews and check for third-party testing to ensure the product's quality and authenticity. Oregano oil versus other essential oils, a comparison. While oregano oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to note that each essential oil has its unique properties and uses. Here's a comparison of oregano oil with other popular essential oils. Oregano oil versus tea tree oil. Both oregano oil and tea tree oil have potent antimicrobial properties, but they differ in their chemical composition. Oregano oil contains higher levels of carvacrol, making it more effective against certain types of bacteria. Tea tree oil is often used for skin care and scalp conditions, while oregano oil is more versatile in its applications. Oregano oil versus lavender oil. Lavender oil is well known for its calming and soothing properties, while oregano oil is more recognized for its antimicrobial and immune-boosting effects. Lavender oil is often used for relaxation and promoting sleep, while oregano oil is primarily used for its health benefits. Oregano oil versus peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is commonly used for digestive issues, headaches, and muscle pain, while oregano oil has a broader spectrum of health benefits. Both oils have antimicrobial properties, but oregano oil's potency against certain pathogens sets it apart. Conclusion: incorporating oregano oil into your natural health routine. Oregano oil is a powerful natural remedy that can support your overall health and well-being. Its antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a versatile addition to your natural health routine. Whether you choose to use it internally or topically, oregano oil can provide immune support, promote digestive health, relieve respiratory symptoms, enhance skin health, and offer antioxidant protection. Remember to use oregano oil with caution, follow the recommended dosage, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions. By incorporating oregano oil into your daily routine, you can harness the natural power of this herbal remedy and enjoy the numerous benefits it has to offer. CTA. If you're ready to experience the natural power of oregano oil, explore our selection of high-quality, organic oregano oil products here. Insert link to where to buy high-quality oregano oil. Take charge of your health and well-being with this potent herbal remedy. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.